everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, my cat wanted to join us today. She loves Christmas as well. But today I'm going to share with you my Christmas decorations. As you can see, my theme is Gingerbread and Candy Cane. I've had this theme for quite a while now and I still love it. Um, so yeah, let's get into it and start with the big tree. So let's begin with a little overview of the tree. As you can see, I added this Decor mesh to the tree with red and white stripes. That's one thing I switch up every year. The ribbon on the tree, that's where you can keep the same ornaments but still have a new look every year. And as you can see, there's also this big gingerbread girl on top of the tree. This was actually a Christmas wreath, but I thought it would be very cute on top of the tree. And here you see my other ornaments as well, a lot of candies and gingerbread cookies. So I will give you a close-up of all of my ornaments and then we will move on to the smaller tree. So here we have my smaller tree. As you can see, I have these cute little teddy bears in there. I found these at Action this year and I needed to have them because they are holding these cute little gingerbread cookies and I thought these match my theme perfectly. So I turned this into a little teddy bear tree and I also added these big velvet red bows to match with the teddy bears. I think it looks super cute and I'm very happy with how it turned out. And as you can see, this tree is also a little bit more narrow so that it could fit in the corner here. And here you can see the couch and my cat as well. She is busy keeping her eyes on the birds outside. As you can see, I added these gingerbread pillowcases and these candy pillows. And of course here this big gingerbread man. And here's my cat again. She's too busy with the birds. So now let's move on to the shelves on the wall. Because over here we have some more decorations as well. These super pretty gingerbread houses. And I also added these string lights to all my Christmas decorations. These are super easy and they work on batteries and have a timer. And these allow you to enjoy your Christmas decorations at night as well. It makes such a difference, so it's always a tip I give others. Even when your decorations already have lights in them, for example this big gingerbread house, this does have lights but no timer, so these string lights make it a lot easier for me so I don't have to turn it on every night. And on the top shelf we have this gingerbread boy and girl holding their Merry Christmas sign. And they have some extra lights as well. And here is a little overview of everything again. And here you have our bookshelf. I made some extra space to place some extra Christmas decorations. On top here we have some gnomes. And here's some more gingerbread houses, some glitters, and of course some lights. And here we have a gingerbread train and some smaller gingerbread houses. So let's move over to the kitchen. We have some more shelves over here, some more decorations. So we have these candies and these jars over here, and some more cute cookies. And then on top we have some more snow globes, again more gingerbread, some lights around the clock, and here a gingerbread house. And then the rest of the kitchen, I kept things pretty simple in here because we like to cook a lot and we like to keep the space free on the countertop. But here I have some jars. You can put some sweets in there or something. Again, some more gingerbread and these cute Christmas mugs. And here's a little overview. Lastly, we have the cabinets. I cleared out some space in here to make a little Christmas display with some Christmas mugs and some plates. And in here I added also some extra lights to light it up at night. And at the end of this video I will add some clips of everything at night with the lights on, so that you can see that as well. So here are some clips of everything at night with the lights on. So here we have the bookshelf. And here the shelves in the kitchen. And then of course the cabinet. And after this I will show you a clip of our clock that I put some lights on as well. It looks so pretty at night, so it's also a big tip that I wanted to give you. So here we have the clock. As you can see, it looks so pretty with the lights on. And lastly, the shelves on the wall. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.